Hello everyone, welcome to Esprit Academy. Today we are diving into the exciting world of manufacturing careers, from traditional roles to the cutting edge fields shaping the future of production. Let's talk about the current career opportunities available in this field. Manufacturing engineers optimize processes and ensure efficient production. Production supervisors oversee day-to-day operations and quality standards. Machine operators operate machineries to produce goods to specification. Quality control inspectors ensure products meet quality standards. Welders and metal fabricators join and shape metal parts for products. Mechanical assemblers assemble components to create finished products. CNC machinists operate computer-controlled machines for precision parts. Logistics and supply chain managers manage the movement of products and materials. Industrial maintenance technicians repair and maintain manufacturing equipment. Production planners and schedulers coordinate production schedules to ensure timely delivery. Now, let's discuss how advancements in technology and AI are transforming these roles and shaping the future of these jobs in this industry. Additive manufacturing technicians operate 3D printers for product creation. Digital twin engineers create digital replicas of systems for optimization. Industrial robotics technicians work with robotic systems in manufacturing processes. Smart manufacturing analysts implement IoT devices and data analytics to improve efficiency. AR technicians for manufacturing use augmented reality to assist manufacturing workers. Material scientists research and develop new materials for better performance. Green manufacturing specialists focus on sustainable practices in manufacturing. Supply chain sustainability managers ensure sustainable and ethical practices in the supply chain. Cyber physical system engineers integrate physical processes with digital technologies for improved control. Love what you do. Do what you love.